If you really want to grow your business or project, it is crucial nowadays to respond quickly and efficiently to your prospects and clients. You can achieve this through automation. WhatsApp is undoubtedly one of the most widely used platforms for staying in touch with clients and suppliers. Today, I'm going to show you how to achieve automation quickly, efficiently, and securely using the tool I use and recommend to my clients. Pabbly Connect. It doesn't matter if you need to confirm an appointment in your calendar, trigger an action in your CRM, handle a form submission, register for a webinar, respond to a website inquiry, or process a sale in your business. Through Pabbly, we use the Many Contacts platform to communicate with prospects or clients via WhatsApp. In this first example, let's assume you have a calendar where people can request an appointment with you. In Pabbly Connect, we'll configure a very simple flow for this test. First, a webhook is activated in the calendar. We add the URL that will activate the action and define an event to confirm, such as confirming the appointment, cancelling it, ending the session, rescheduling the appointment, or simply rejecting it. In this example, we will send a message when the appointment is confirmed. We activate the webhook, save it, and now we're ready to use it in Pabbly Connect. We wait for the webhook to be activated. A meeting or appointment is requested. We confirm the request, and the website notifies us that the meeting has been requested and is awaiting confirmation from the calendar owner. Meanwhile, in Pabbly Connect, it waits for the information to arrive. We review the requests in our application and confirm the appointment if the person meets the parameters of our business. Once confirmed, the information is sent to Pabbly Connect. All the data from the appointment request form is stored in Pabbly Connect. Next, we configure the message to be sent via Many Contacts using the data received through the webhook. We map the information, such as the phone number, where the message will be sent, write the text, test the process, and save the configuration. The WhatsApp message is successfully sent. The flow is simple. Someone requests an appointment on your website, the meeting is confirmed, and a confirmation message is automatically sent through Pabbly and Many Contacts. You can customize the message text to suit your needs. Now, let's see a second example. This time using your CRM. I use Fluent Booking for appointments and Fluent CRM as my contact manager. You can use the tools you prefer, although I recommend these options. In this case, we'll use Fluent CRM to trigger automation by applying a tag. We select this action as the trigger and assign the tag that will activate the flow. We paste the webhook URL provided by Pabbly Connect, save it, and confirm. When a tag is applied to a contact in the CRM, a WhatsApp message is automatically sent. As always, we configure Pabbly Connect to receive the information from the webhook. In the CRM, we apply the tag, either automatically or manually. And the automation is triggered. In Pabbly Connect, the prospect's data is received, mapped, and the phone number is specified. We write the message, test the configuration, and save it. The message is successfully sent to WhatsApp. Of course, you can configure different applications or services to send messages to WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect and Many Contacts or other similar systems. However, the core of all the action is Pabbly Connect. I recommend you try this tool using the link in the description of this video. Respond to your clients quickly and efficiently with Pabbly. Let me know in the comments if you've used Pabbly Connect or if this is the solution you were looking for your business or project.